When using your truck for work or play, sometimes the bed isn't quite big enough to haul what you need. Curt has the solution to this problem with the Universal Truck Bed Extender, and it has some unique features you've never seen before. The Universal Tailgate Extender from Curt is a great addition for your truck bed. If you have a long or short bed, this extender can work for you. Adding this tailgate extender gives you 26.5 more inches to the overall usability of your truck bed. That is over 2 additional feet that you can use to haul anything from plants and parts to recreational gear and tools for the job site. What makes this tailgate so unique is its design. Unlike most other tailgate extenders that you have to climb over or flip up to access your truck bed, the Curt extender has an integrated tailgate. The integrated tailgate is hinged and it folds down like a normal tailgate for easy and quick bed access. This is great for loading and unloading things in your truck. Another great thing is that it's compatible with most bed covers, so there is no worry with it getting in the way. The tailgate extender is durable and is made from a tubular steel and has a black powder coat finish. And with squared off corners, you can fit more and save space. Installation is super easy and there is no drilling required. Curt utilized a pin latch system for fast installation and easy removal when needed. And it consists of 3 pieces and weighs only 40 pounds, so it's easy to store and not too heavy to carry. The Curt Universal Tailgate Extender comes with a limited lifetime warranty. If you are interested in purchasing Curt's Universal Truck Bed Extender or looking to have one installed, be sure to check out the dealer locator below and subscribe for new product videos weekly. Thanks for watching In the Garage. We'll see you next time.